Ushla. Current áthas ar blunder a chrí bheith geartlóir an cathair is deise is dehiltaní is dechol túrthair dám ó scór. Slua có deas, có chuoin, có séimh, có dathúil, có cliste. No mar a deirtar as béarla, hello. Smish Cillian O'Brien, Cillian Brennan sin my slave name. Agus tá brónar am ach an ocht beag roint fa am afraid as gaige or the veil an seo. Ach se beag roint fa as gaige mar níl mór an béarla a gom. There know we come a couple of words. Mar hopla is féadla marrá rudí cosúla, thanks very much. Goodbye. Agus Darnoy, can I go to the toilet? Is bralam mo chuid béarla úsáid agus mar sin cúpla bliain ó hin nuair bhí mé gimmart le Corcaigh scuingam bheith barc an Crocaigh agus dúirt mé as béarla great happiness is upon me. To accept this cup on behalf of the people of Cork. Tá sé dasnach a béarla úsáid agus Darnoy dála mé an chuid is mó go mo béarla ar scoil agus is cuiinlam an scrúdú béarla an cuiinlam an scrúdú béarla an rud a bhí gceisna an na scéalt is cuiinlam na scéalt a mar hampla is minic stream a scéal cosúla seo. It was a lovely summer's day. The sun was splitting the stones. Splitting the stones as fast as the wind. Suddenly! I slipped on the ice and broke my face. The ambulance came without delay. We all had lemonade and meat sandwiches. And I will never forget that day. An rud ná bhí muinteoir béarla anna bhatha gom. Bhí muinteoir béarla anna bhatha. Bhí sé gcónaí caint mé out ar Severus. Agus mar sin bhí mar ag fála a gcónaí turns of phrase. agus proverbs. Mar hampla as gaige deir tú tá ochra soram as béarla sin I eat a scabby babies from bars of cat. No féach tá an cailí sin go háling sé sin as béarla Jesus, I'd make ribbons of your mug. Agus, you know, the Shannock in the Proverbs, there's no fireplace like your own fireplace. If it's a Harry Potter fireplace. Agus, faraway hills are greener in Mario Kart. DC Douglas Severus Martian, Agus, come on, we're being our skull, could make goodie on barrel tocht. Sean of course a tree shop that I got modern the wrong in a barrel on shin dimmer me cricket agus garden bowl. Shin bhí na buchí agus na chalíní ag shift áil ag an maple. So so you should sing them on. Is Malum fresh and there no ish ma could bear a clock dogs who saw it, so be him a fechant or TV4. Tá sé rás agus tá seán éasca mar tá na subtitles go léir as gaige. Sa chóir an sin bhí éisteach na radio an bhéirle. Agus tá sé go mám mar seanann siad an sean ceol tradiisiúnta, ceol tradiisiúnta cosúla smack my bitch up agus fuck the police for an stiff tradiisiúnta. Mar sin tuisc mí fech an turn telefísin géisteach leis an radio tá go maith ag impressions inis. Bhil cúpla impressions as gaige? Beg me ar sin Schwarzenegger. sé díra cosúlis, an ceann seán níos fearr a man bhaige. Cé fág a bhfuil tú códár íre? Joker ó Batman. Agus ceann déarnach go many díomh sin seair na bheola. So, is bhil an freisin nuair a cuiníim siar ar na léigeanta sin with the Carclorcus, when I'm with it. So, Queen of Sheer is Queen of Freshen on Screwlu Kainta and Screwlu Bale, so Screwlu Berla. On Erdiship and Screwlu Bale Berla. Very good in the skin of the Fosa Wave, King with the Nish. What's your name?
Padre, you said it, no?
Treat me this generation. Screwlu Berla. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Padre.
Your house. What age are you?
I am 17 years old.
Any hobbies?
I love playing sport with my friends. Okay, for my piece after was you've been a lovely audience. Audience, yeah. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Can I go to the toilet?